Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community. Please go down and subscribe to my channel. So, today I want to talk to you about why, um, what's the difference between professional grade Christmas lights versus the Home Depot Christmas lights. And this question gets asked a lot, and so I just wanted to go down the rabbit hole a little bit and show you the differences between the two. I'm not going to say one's better than the other. Actually, I will. The commercial grade Christmas lights are 10 times better than this here. These are more expensive. Yep, they're more expensive, but they're a lot better. So the first thing is I want to show you the difference in brightnesses. So right here, this light here is called an SMD. You can see how bright it is. These are super bright. These are the older LEDs that we've used in the past. They're not as bright. Let's see if I can't really give you a good comparison, but they're not as bright. They're bright, but you can kind of see on my face here where it's really shining, and here it's really not shining so much on my right side of my face. So this is the commercial side of stuff. The pros of this stuff is we can cut this wherever we need to cut it, put a cord on it, go to another one, so we don't have lights that are just running back and forth and kind of all balled up because we've used too many. We don't have nowhere to go. The other pro of this is if one bulb goes bad, we can replace that one bulb. This stuff here, one bulb goes bad, usually 3, 4, 5 of them go out. And so that is one of the differences between these two strands of lights. All right, so I'll show you the differences. So this is a Home Depot light or a Lowe's or any of those things that come pre-made on a strand. And the biggest thing is as well, this stuff here costs $1.50 to $1.70, maybe even closer to $2 per foot, because each bulb's per foot. Time you figure the clip in and the bulb and your extension cords and the whole 9 yards. This is, we can get it for about $1.50 to $1.70. This stuff here, I can get it dirt cheap. I can get it less than probably $1 a foot, but that's not in counting the clips or extension cord, where this is counting the clips and extension cord. So basically, the bulbs are anywhere from, you can find them anywhere from 69 cents-ish to $1, $1.50, depending on where you can get them from. These here, these can get expensive too. That is the difference. So I want to show you the difference in brightness, so you can see how much brighter this light is here compared to this light here. It's a huge difference. If I shine it, you can't even see this bulb. You can see how bright that bulb is. Even the older bulbs, the older bulbs are 10 times brighter than these here. But I wanted to show you why these aren't so bright. So in these, there's anywhere from 3 to 5 LEDs in there. These here are made to look like a C9. Not all of them, but if you're talking the cheap ones like these are made to look like a C9. All this is a mini. This is a mini Christmas light that they put this nice little fancy dancy schmancy bulb on here to make it look like a C9. So with that being said, you can see that this is way brighter than this here. And when you put these up on a house versus these look like crap. Like, this just looks like crap. And that's why we use the C9 commercial grade lights versus the Home Depot, Lowe's, Kmart, Walmart brand type of lights. And like I say, the biggest thing is we can cut this cable anywhere. We can customize it to the house. We don't have no extra just hanging off the end, duct taped in the gutter, the whole 9 yards, whatever you want to do with the extra, wrap it back around, really make it look like crap. So that is the purpose of using the commercial grade C9 lights, Christmas lights, versus the $5 strands at Walmart Christmas lights. Yeah, they're cheap, but cheap isn't always good. The next thing is these lights here will last you, I mean, we got some that are going on 5 years old. 5 years old lights. These here, if you get 2 seasons out of them, good luck. Good luck on getting 2 seasons out of them. So, you know, if you're looking for something that's going to last a long time, definitely go with the C9 looking brand. Again, this makes you look, especially if you're doing this, this makes it look professional. This makes it look like a homeowner did it. And even if you are a homeowner and you want to make it look professional, this is definitely the way to go. If you want to learn how to put Christmas lights on a roof, check out this video right here. And if you want to learn how to make extension cords, check out this video right here. Thank you and have a great day, and Merry Christmas to you and your family.